I'm getting low on mayonnaise, and that's not a good thing, because I have a safe breakfast. There's only one breakfast that I can have due to health problems. Every morning I have eggs and toast, and on my toast I put mayonnaise. And since the weather outside is frightful, today I'm making more mayonnaise. Shall we time this? It is 12:51, just turned to 12:51. Measuring spoons. Two eggs. Two tablespoons of vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of mustard powder, two cups of edible oil. This is a measuring jug, but the lettering is hard to see, so I put this line on here with a permanent marker, so it filled up to there, and I got 2 cups. You can use any oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use sunflower oil, peanut oil, olive oil. It has to have the same consistency of your regular cooking oils. Something like coconut oil won't do because it doesn't flow. I have a KitchenAid blender. If I use the lower speeds, stir and mix, the mayonnaise won't thicken up properly. On this blender, it seems like puree is the proper speed. You'd have to experiment with your blender. So now I turn this on puree and I drizzle in the oil. So as you can tell, 2 cups is the maximum I can do. Beautiful looking mayonnaise. Now I'll take my normal funnel for bottling stuff. I've got it made nice and thick. Take a little spatula. Now, because this is a 500 ml bottle, and I put in 500 ml of oil, of course it doesn't all fit in one bottle. Considering I put in 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 eggs, so I need to put it in a second bottle. I'm a lefty, so I'm going to change hands here. And don't let mayonnaise dry up in your blender, food processor, because if you do, you're going to have an awful hard time getting it out down around those blades. Unfortunately, because I was videoing this, the timing won't be so great. It's 1:07, so that was 16 minutes, but I was running back and forth dealing with the camera and stuff. Don't turn that on with the no top on there. In. I once went into the store. I decided to read the ingredients on the mayonnaise because the store-bought mayonnaise, and doing it this way, if you had to buy everything from the store, now I got my own backyard ends, but if you had to buy the eggs and all, you're still saving money, but you're not saving a lot by making your own. However, I read the ingredients. The first ingredient on the mayonnaise bottle was water. So when you buy mayonnaise in the store, it's half water and they got to put a thickener in it to thicken it up. This stuff is just oil and eggs. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button and leave me a comment below. If you know someone to whom the content may be useful, hit the share to send it their way. And most of all, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.